ngayon. Bilyang layo ang mukha mo. Oo.
But why?
Dito tayo ngayon sa PLDT Sales Office para interviewin namin ang artista dito. Sabi ko kung wala ang artista na si Kim Joran. May bago siyang album na Down to Earth.
Wala po akong music video na Down to Earth. Palabas po ako, meron ako.
Including your middle name.
Anong papalabas mo aabangan ng mga tao?
Top Friends.
Ang Top Friends? Chewing pa rin yun, di ba?
Chewing gum.
Ano pa ang aabangan ng mga fans about sa iyo?
Yung product namin na iPhone, tinago na yun.
Avon.
May bago kaming
For
product.
example, yung Avon, yung product niya.
See,
Anong
this is Victoria's
Very
Secret.
secret?
Yes.
Very six
Bakit
touch?
nilabas mo kung secret?
We are going to launch this product as soon as possible this coming 2014.
But it's too malayo pa.
This one is just a sample.
Okay, we'll see if makakatry tayo niyan, baka mahal.
Noon. Laman
Pero abangan natin ang model ng kanyang product.
Our
Ano?
model is Miss Jane and Mr. Ken. Close up, please close up.
We're endorsing that one product. And you
Purpose
will...
lagi. Unsa yung role? Unsa yung pangalan?
Ulit. Kit Jorani.
How can you take a look at our female model? Zoom. Zoom.
Say, what can you say?
What can I say?
Yes. Say.
Say it.
And here are the member of our production team. Oh, look at that.
They making products.
Yeah.
I'm Joseph.
The Packer.
The handsome one there.
No, I'm a good boy. Good boy daw.
What I mean Packer is you pack the carton, not Packer.
What? Okay. Yeah. Actually, you're right. You have a lupot because Packer.
Packer. Not Packer, no.
C-A-E-R.
What? Answer again.
I have nothing to say that they shall let under the suit.
Okay, hold.
Why there are many girls who like you?
Actually, where's the camera?
There.
Actually,
Doraemon, ikaw ba yan?
I don't know how girls fall in love with me.
Wow.
Is it because
It's
of
like this?
Maybe in my eyes.
Look at your
Or
Maybe in my nose.
or maybe with a smile.
what?
And
What
then
is
maybe
your the best asset?
Oh, wait.
Can you repeat the question?
What is your the best asset?
Kuya.
The best asset.
Actually, the asset. What's asset?
Just like Yuta. Just like, oh yeah, liability. Cellphone.
asset.
Land,
Asset.
building.
Tangible or intangible?
Your eyes or your nose?
Or-
What is your the best asset?
Dito, question siya.
Okay. Can you please interview the manager? Manager,
Oh my God.
what can you say?
Because
Do you agree?
I agree that he has a lot of asset.
Okay. What the best asset he had?
Oh, manager, I heard he just bought 20 hectares of land around Boracay area.
I heard that most of your girlfriends you break up
Okay, apa na ba
was
si Jane?
pick suicide.
TikTok? What's TikTok?
Medyo. Ikaw na po interview.
you put in jail?
Ay, idea ko ano, kayo lang mag-interview.
Ulit.
Si Jen ako.
Si Jenna ba interview?
Sige, ako intro ba? Si Jen yung interview. Si Pin na lang, ako intro.
Intro.
Okay.
Drum roll.
Live in the
Introduce
Just
si Jen.
Property.
Ay, si Pin ay.